this section, I will show you some digital text what I made, and let me show you how to use digital tools to applying that strategies we learned. This is the digital text that I made by moving the textbook to Google Documentary myself. It didn't take too long because the textbook PDF was copied and pasted. First, if you look at the textbook, there's a learning objectives here. Key ideas can be the learning objectives. And based on learning objectives, you can make students draw a mind map using a MindMeister. This is the MindMeister, and you can let students think about learning objectives like size, composition, interior part, shape. These are the learning objectives. You can see this part. So using this strategy, students can think again what they already learned about the learning objectives. And first, when you're reading, you can induce students to guess what they will learn by looking at the pictures and bold letters first. So before, pre-reading, you can let students read very quickly, concentrate on very big and bold letters and pictures first, and let them predict what they will learn today. Just reading this bold text, students can predict what they will learn today. And you can let students underline difficult words while they read quickly using the highlight function, like this. Billion. If the student don't know about the billion, you can make them highlight it. And after all the students highlight the words that they don't know about, then you can grab the whole vocabulary and explain to students each vocabulary's means, and you can do some activities in the Padlet about some difficult words. And if you leave questions about what you think is important and make students reply to your answers, and make students reply to your questions, then you can encourage students to read while focusing on learning objectives while answering your questions. So these are a kind of reading strategy. And students can understand the structure of the text by highlighting these course instructions such as so and that is, like that. So using this strategy, students can find out some structure of the text, so the students can learn the text more efficiently. At the end of the paragraph, students can better understand the core contents of each paragraph by trying to write a note. Here, taking memo, to write a note on the contents of the paragraph. And finally, students can summarize whole text here. So it is possible to grab the overall content of the text. So As you can see here, you can do a lot of strategies by using Google Doc. And also using the Flipper-Clip here, students can create visualization materials and videos about what they have learned, which can also be used as a performance evaluation tool during class. There is a PC version and also an app version of the Flipper-Clip. So you can use the one that is comfortable for you. So I can show you some work that I made into Flipper-Clip. Yeah. Like this, you can make students visualize what they learned already. And these are graphic organizers. You can see a bunch of and different kind of graphic organizers here. If you click this, you can see a lot of graphic organizers. And graphic organizers is a useful strategy for students to organize what they have read after finishing reading the text. Various types of graphic organizers can be found on this website, so you can go there. And this is it. So I hope today's lecture is very helpful for you to set your lesson plans. Thank you.